Hello everybody, just wanted to share this unboxing. I ordered a package from Sphinx Cosmetics and I ordered none other than Horchata Vanille de Vanille. Vamos a ver. It is one of the most beautiful vanillas. My bottle came leaking a little bit, but I don't know. In the summer, I expect things like this to happen. It leaked. Oh boy. How fun. Okay, but the scent itself, it's the most beautiful lactonic, creamy cinnamon vanilla mix that you could ever smell. I fell in love with this one from a sample. A good friend of mine, Marissa, sent me some and I fell in love. Have a good day.